Hi everyone, I hope you are all doing awesome. Today I'm going to talk about how you can identify if you have a strong conviction towards what you are doing. My name is Abhinay and it's day 57 of 1000 Days Facebook Live. If you are watching this video live, comment as hashtag live. If you are watching recording, comment as hashtag recording replay, so that I understand that you watched this video. Coming to the point, whatever I'm going to share today, I came across this concept from the book called You Can Sell by Shigera. So there was this story, like how can one become successful? You know about this story, you must be knowing because this is so popular. Like when you want to become successful, like as bad as you want air when you're drowning in water, that is when you can become successful. There Shivikara also shared one of the things, like under peer pressure preferences become weak whereas convictions become strong. That means if a person is going for any preferring something, he will be going towards that as long as the things are easy. If the things started becoming difficult, that is when they will stop going in the direction because of multiple factors. It's in the common stories that they tell themselves is like, okay, I think this is not working. However, if you have strong conviction towards the same thing, like okay, this is going to happen for sure, so even if you are under pressure, even if the things are not falling into the place, you will be continuing in the same path and finally you will be getting the desired result. I hope this will help you to validate yourself when it comes to finding whether you have strong conviction towards what you are doing. So if you don't have it, that is when you have to validate whether that is your path, or there is something that you have to develop for yourself. I hope this helps you, and if you didn't get it, you can definitely DM me so that we can get into the conversation. Thank you for staying till the end. Bye bye.